Allah mun gode ma da aka yi nasara akan Najeriya. Allah mun gode ma. Allah mun gode ma. Inda aka za su gaba da tafiya da kasar nan ya Allah ko ta ina ne Allah karka ba su nasara akan mu. Wallahi tallahi ko da ƴan wuta Najeriya da su buga wani abu na ci gaba. Allah ka ba mu ƴan wuta nasara. Wallahi karka ba mu ƴan Najeriya nasara. Ya aka dauke mu mu sa ku a inuwa ku samu a rana. Wannan wani irin rayuwa ne. Ku duba yan mu dan Allah dan Annabi. Ganye mutun yake kodawa ya ci. Wani irin rayuwa ne wannan. Kana dan talaka kana fakin ciki kana fada da dan uwanka akan kofi na Najeriya da za ta dauka. Kana fakin ciki kana fada da dan uwanka akan duk abun da bata san da kai ba. Mu muka tura su matsayin da suke ba amma ka duba yanda aka dauke mu dan girman Allah. Taliya 700 leda don girman Allah ya ake so iyayen mu su sa ransu. Wani irin rayuwa ne wannan don girman Allah. Talaka bai sai dariya ba. Ko yau kai ce wai kai me kudi ne kana jin dadi wallahi ga mu nan muna gani ganye yan gwamnati suke kodawa suna ci.
2020 Nigerian youth were holding Nigerian flags, singing the national anthem, and yet they were killed in numbers. Nigerian government deny that they don't know anything about it. Nigerian army, Nigerian police deny they don't know anything about it. 4 years later, a Nigerian set Nigerian flag on fire. Yet, nobody has made any statement about it. Nobody has. The video is not even going viral. Everybody do like say they know Siam. Boldly insult the government and set Nigerian flag on fire. Imagine this happen in the south. Happen with a Christian, even if he's not an Igbo person. What would have been happening in the southeast by now? They would have said that Biafra they sponsor them. And somebody is telling me why I'm always making video to defend Igbos. Yes, because even when I involve other people from the south or the south or the southern Nigeria that are not Igbo, they will tell me I'm dragging all of them to be Biafra. So why am I defending them? Yes, I will defend Igbos. I will defend my tribe first. That is the truth. Imagine this kind of thing happen in the southeast. Now, between someone who is criticizing the government, who said we will not go agree, and the person who born Nigerian flag, who should be feared, who is more dangerous, the hypocrites from the security agency, hypocrites and injustice of the Nigerian government will not allow them to do anything. 8 good years, they were telling us hate speech against Buhari. Protest is a haram. Just 8 months into Tinubu regime, the so-called Muslim ticket they supported, Ghana mate, they are not coming out to burn Nigerian flag. They are not coming out to protest. Thank God, Tinubu emergency is a blessing in disguise. It's now opening everybody's eye in the 21st century to know who is practicing one Nigeria. When I said it that the Igbos practice one Nigeria than every other person, even though they don't like what is going on, people say I don't know what I'm talking about. Can't you see? Can't you see that they can't endure? What we have been enduring for 40 to 50 years, they can't endure it for 9 months. Oh, were they enduring it during Buhari time? Why didn't they speak up? So the pain was there, but they were pretending. Hypocrites. I don't know the definition again, but their character shows the definition in full. When we say this thing, people think that we are just joking. Hypocrites. Somebody is telling us that if he criticizes Tinubu, he will go 3 years. The person that born Nigerian flag, how many years will he spend? The man that could not feature those who born Nigerian flag, how many years could they spend? Injustice. You people are so wicked in this country. You turn blind eye because you hate one particular tribe and you are not moving forward and you are not asking yourself questions. They are everywhere.